The Odyssey, read by Jenny Rojas. Illustrated by Liz C. Young. The hero of our story is Odysseus, who destroyed the mighty city of Troy by the trick of the wooden horse. On his way home, he visited many countries and suffered many hardships. Poseidon, god of the sea, tried to prevent him from ever reaching home, but Odysseus would never give up. I, Homer, pray to the goddess of poetry to help me tell this story. Characters: Odysseus Prince, Penelope, Telemachus, Menelaus, Agamemnon, Calypso, Helen, Paris, Circe, Aphrodite, Athena, Poseidon, Zeus, Homer. Introducing Odysseus. This is the story of the ancient Greek hero Odysseus. Centuries ago, I, Homer, told of his adventures in my famous poems, the Iliad and the Odyssey. Odysseus is born on the Greek island of the Ithaca, where his father is king. As a child, Odysseus is badly hurt when hunting wild boar in the woods. The scar on his thigh never fades. As a young man, Odysseus sails to Messenia on the Greek mainland. Good shot. The son of Messenia's king gives him a wonderful bow. It's so powerful that only Odysseus can string it. Odysseus grows up tough and strong, a natural leader, admired by everyone. He's clever, energetic, brave, and sometimes disobedient and headstrong. He's very intelligent. He's not especially handsome, but he's friendly and interesting with an entertaining way of talking. A king's son must marry. It's time for Odysseus to find a wife. He sets off for the kingdom of Sparta, home of Princess Helen. Who wouldn't want to marry Helen?